to help the less fortunate. I then started an NPO called Peace of Mind Organization, and this is where I help families that are unable to afford private care, even though the care that I provide is at the affordable rate. But there are still people in Cape Town that are suffering that can't pay for medical or even basic health. So why I also did that was most people in Cape Town are very fearful of going to the public and government sectors because of past experiences and what they hear from family and friends, where they either seek the help of private midwives or private professionals, or they seek a medical aid fund, which is very, very expensive in South Africa. This is where I founded JLK Integrated Care and the NPO, where I could provide that safe place for mothers. And then also spoke to a few doctors that I've worked with and community professionals, which are supporting me.